Model, 2015 ISUZU D-Max 2.5 4X4 Yukon Vision Extended Cab Spares OR Repairs Export Ready Star-Struck. Body, silver 4x4. Mileage, dash screen not working last miles notified 72,446. MOT, 9 May 2024. Engine, 2499 cc4 INTERCOOLER E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, 2 keys, air con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £11,250. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,